Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, it's actually a requested one on Instagram. I asked you guys if you wanted my carrot cake recipe and 100% said yes. So here we go. This is an entire video on my carrot cake recipe. So I hope you guys enjoyed as much as we do. this is not a complicated one. There's just a lot of ingredients. So basically, this cake is not a cake that you overmix. You do not want to overmix. Basically, what you're just going to mix a lot is your eggs and your sugar at the beginning, and everything else is basically just folded. Super important. And then you're going to do is simply pour your batter into your round pans or even square or rectangular pans, depending on what you want to do. I wanted like a higher cake, so I chose I think it was 7-inch or 6. No, I used 7-inch. I did 3 7-inches, and then I divided my batter into my cake pans, and then I just baked it. Keep an eye on it. It's about 50 to 60 minutes. It's a heavy cake, okay, because there's a lot of ingredients in it. It's not like a fluffy cake, but it's so flavorful. It's one of my favorite cakes ever. It's so tasty. I would highly suggest not to put the cake together the same day. I actually put it in the fridge for at least 24 hours so that the flavors really come together, and then I put it together with the frosting, which is such a yummy frosting, and it's super easy to do, and you can actually use it for any cake that you want. And I also did a border with candied walnuts, and I placed them a little bit on top, and there you go. It's so delicious. I promise, like, everybody's gonna be in wow if they like carrot cake. So I did this for Thanksgiving, and it was a hit. So I really hope you guys enjoyed as much as we do. The link of the cake, the frosting, and the candied walnuts will be in my description box down below, and then it will bring you to my blog where there's other recipes also that you can go and have a look. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys are going to try the recipe. If you do, let me know if you liked it or not. And I wish you all a beautiful, beautiful week. Thank you again for all the support. You guys are so sweet. You mean the world to me. And I just want to say thank you so much for supporting my channel and me. And kisses to everybody. I wish you all again a wonderful week. And see you in the next one.